Tired of being limited to traditional payment methods for your Xbox gaming? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate your Cash App with your Xbox for a smoother, more flexible way to fund your gaming adventures. First, power up your Xbox and navigate to the settings. You'll find this usually represented by a gear icon on your main dashboard. Within Settings, look for the Account section. This is where you manage all your Xbox profile and payment information. Now go into Payment and Billing. This section is crucial for adding and managing your payment methods. Here, you'll see a list of available payment options. We're looking for a way to connect Cash App while there isn't a direct link Cash App button. We'll achieve this by adding funds to your Microsoft account using a method linked to Cash App. The key here is to have funds readily available in your Cash App. Open your Cash App and tap the Add Cash button. Choose the amount you wish to add to your Cash App balance. This will be the pool of money you'll use for your Xbox purchases. Confirm the transaction within Cash App. Once the funds are added to your Cash App balance, they are ready to be used. Now back on your Xbox, select Add a New Payment option. Since Cash App itself isn't directly linkable, we'll use your Cash App card or a bank account linked to Cash App to make your purchase. If you have a Cash App card, select credit card or debit card. You'll then enter your Cash App card details just like any other debit or credit card. Input your Cash App card number, expiry date, and the CVV code shown on the back of your card. When you go to make a purchase on the Xbox Store, whether it's a game, subscription, or in-game content, your Cash App card will be a selectable payment method. Simply choose the game or content you want, proceed to checkout, and select your Cash App card as the payment method. Your Cash App balance will be debited for the purchase amount, and you'll see the transaction reflected in both your Cash App and Xbox billing history. And there you have it. You've successfully expanded your payment options for Xbox using Cash App, making your next gaming purchase quick and easy. Happy gaming!